Are you tired of mediocre car speakers that fail to deliver on their promises? Have you wasted money on subpar audio systems that leave you feeling disappointed and frustrated? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Jensen CAR1000, a car speaker system that claims to offer top-notch sound quality at an affordable price. I was skeptical, but after extensive research and testing, I'm excited to share with you whether or not this product lives up to its hype. But before we dive in, let me ask you, are you willing to spend extra money on a car speaker system that's supposed to be worth it? For the best price, click the link in the description. I've been a car audio enthusiast for years, and I've tried my fair share of speakers from top brands. But there's something about the Jensen CAR1000 that caught my attention, its promise of delivering crystal clear sound with deep bass at an affordable price point. But let's be real. Most car speaker systems on the market today are overpriced and underwhelming. They claim to offer high-quality sound, but in reality, they often fall short. So what sets the Jensen CAR1000 apart from the rest? One of the standout features of this system is its 4-ohm impedance, which allows for a more efficient power transfer and better sound quality overall. This means that you'll get clearer highs, deeper lows, and a more immersive listening experience. But there's more to it than just technical specs. I also wanted to see how the Jensen CAR1000 would perform in real-world conditions. So I took it on a road trip, subjected it to various sound tests, and even pushed its limits with some heavy bass tracks. And let me tell you, this thing delivers. The sound is rich, detailed, and immersive, making long road trips feel like a breeze. But don't just take my word for it, I've got the results of my testing right here. After conducting extensive research and testing, I found that the Jensen CAR1000 outperforms many high-end car speaker systems in several key areas. Sound quality. The Jensen CAR1000 delivers crystal clear highs, deep lows, and a more immersive listening experience overall. Power handling. With its 4-ohm impedance, this system can handle up to 50 watts of power, making it perfect for larger vehicles or those who want extra oomph in their sound. Durability. The Jensen CAR1000 is built with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving. But there's one more thing that caught my attention: the price. At first glance, the Jensen CAR1000 seems like a pricey option compared to other car speaker systems on the market. However, when you factor in its superior sound quality, durability, and power handling, it starts to look like a worthwhile investment. So is the Jensen CAR1000 worth the extra money? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're looking for a high-quality car speaker system that can deliver on its promises, this is definitely the way to go. But don't just take my word for it, check out what other reviewers have to say about the Jensen CAR1000. I've included some reviews from satisfied customers below. The sound quality is incredible. The highs are crisp and clear, and the lows are deep and rumbling. Emily W***, I was skeptical at first, but this system has exceeded my expectations in every way. Mark K. And as for me, I'm still blown away by how well the Jensen CAR1000 performs. From its sleek design to its impressive sound quality, this system is a game-changer for car audio enthusiasts like myself. So if you're ready to take your car's audio to the next level, click the link in the description below to get the best price on the Jensen CAR1000. Trust me, your ears and your passengers will thank you.